Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can remove payment method from Facebook ad account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Facebook, and you simply need to log in into your Facebook account. Then you need to select your page and go into the Meta Business Suite. So once you are in Meta Business Suite, you simply need to go on to the All Tools, and here you need to go on to the billing section. So once you are on the billing section, you simply need to click on payment settings, and if you add your card here, you can see an option of here, you can see option of three dots here. You simply need to click on that and remove your payment method by clicking on that. So this is the simple process by which you can remove payment method from Facebook ad account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.